Alright, so I came outside. There's a flat tire. And I'll show you the problem that I found. I don't know if you can hear the air, but it's leaking here. So valve stem, so I was going to take it to a tire shop, but then I found out that the valve in there, which is called the Schrader valve or the valve core, so you can change that out. So I bought a tool and a little kit. See if we can change it out. Alright, so I bought this at an AutoZone tire tackle. This was $5.99 and it has 4 valve cores. So that's what we're going to need along with this tool. So first we're going to want to make sure that the air is out of the tire. Okay, it's pretty flat now. I'm not hearing much air come out of there anymore. Now I'm going to use this end and one here. There is the core that we will be replacing. So in the kit, there's 4 replacements. So now I'm going to put this guy in there. We'll fill it up and hopefully it stops leaking. Don't want to over tighten it. It's basically just that rubber ring there, the O-ring that's going to stop the air. So that's all you need to do is make sure that's in there snug. Now I'm going to fill it up and hopefully we don't hear any more air hissing out. Okay, I filled it up and I don't hear any more leak, so that's good. So there you go. If you ever have air that's leaking out of the valve stem area, might be worth picking one of these kits up. $6. Try replacing that valve core. If it works, saves you what, $40-50 taken to the tire store. So, thanks for watching.